Packages are the core organizational unit in CodeWP, and they allow us to combine multiple snippets and organize them into specific groups. A package is basically a folder of multiple files generated on CodeWP. And we can use packages for a number of reasons. We can use them to easily organize related code snippets, or we can use them to easily generate plugins and themes, export them, and install them on WordPress. Packages make great use of the multifile support in the code generation. So right now I'm on my package archive page. You can see that I've created a lot of packages over here. So here's a multifile form plugin that I've created. And this package essentially is a plugin that contains these 4 files. And then these 4 files can be downloaded as a zip, like so. Really easy. And then this can now go be installed on WordPress. So these packages are essentially just collections of multiple related files. So now what I'm going to do is click into edit the package code, and it will open up all of these files within CodeWP's editor. And we can see that all of these files are completely related to each other, and this creates a complete form plugin right here. So multiple files go into one package. This package is used for organization, and in this case we can export this package as a plugin. So right here you can see we have one package open in the editor, and we can download it very easily. And this package was created with AI. So I prompted, I want a custom form for WordPress. I built out a custom form. It realized that for it to work, it will need to enqueue both JavaScript and CSS, and that's exactly what it did. It went in and created these files accordingly and built it into a package. If I create another file outside of the package, index demo.php, you'll see that the entire package closes up top and this file opens up. Now, I can manually create packages as well, and I can do this in a number of different manners, but the easiest manner is to simply click the plus button within the current file or within the current package and say package demo.php. And now we've created a new package. You can see that there are 2 packages instead of 1, and these 2 files are related. And once open in CodeWP's editor, CodeWP understands the file structure and file makeup of this package. So it's very easy to generate multiple files that work together. Okay, I'm going to jump back into the packages and show you another way to manually create them. We can click plus new package, select the various files, index demo.php, and we need to search for it. So we'll search for whatever files, right there, and we can add as many files as we want. We can name the package, give it a description, and then choose between snippet group, which is primarily for organization, and plugin, which is primarily to be exported as a zip and then installed on WordPress. So that's kind of the core purpose of packages. They organize multiple files together and make it really easy to create solutions that require these multiple files. So let me show you the creation of a package using AI. I'm going to go in and say, create a PHP script that adds a custom collection of CSS styles to only the admin dashboard, not the front end of the WordPress website. I want my custom styles to be handled in another file, period. So now what I'm going to do is generate some PHP code that includes a custom CSS file here. And I'm going to go and generate everything accordingly. It will create my PHP script. And then you see that it's enqueuing a file that must be actually created. So I'm going to say, please create So I'm going to say, okay, you've included this file. Now let's actually go and create this file. And CodeWP will automatically open up a new file, give it that proper name right here, and then go and actually create the code for it. And it's opened in this file, and I actually noticed that we probably want to give it the CSS prefix right here. But it creates this new file in this package. It generates the package automatically. And now we can use all of this to be exported in this example as a theme. And I actually don't want it to be as a theme, so I'll conversationally edit it and say, this is a plugin, not a theme, so this inclusion method won't work. And we'll go and edit it so it will call in the plugin directory URL, which will work when we export it as a file. So And this was my mistake. I should have probably prompted it to say I want it to be a plugin, not a theme. But whatever the case is, you can see that this was an AI created package, which can also be exported as a plugin or a theme or whatever it may be. And CodeWP understood the makeup of this file to be able to create the custom CSS files accordingly. So I will go in and I'll do one more demonstration. I'll say, what is the makeup of this current package? And here we can see CodeWP fully understands the makeup of the package that it has created with AI, which you could also create manually. And it's a perfect way to do some organization, give CodeWP the context of other files, and create entire plugins in the CodeWP platform.